salsa, amigos, okay? Now, the first step, actually the first part, my friends, everybody need to start with the right, just on the first part, okay? Now, the first step that I call it in front and back. How that's gonna work? We just start with the right in front. After that, together, and we go back with the left. And then, together again. In front with the right, together, back with the left. Together, in front, together, back. Together, in front, together, back. You got it? Okay, okay.
Hopefully.
Uno, gonna be in front. Dos, gonna be back. Needs to be like this.
Okay.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, and you're gonna continue to six. Same time. 3, 2, 1, and we say uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Excelente. Big applause side to side. Okay, how that gonna work? One more time. Start with the right. After that, just open to the right. Okay? After that, together, and then we open to the left. Together, to the right. Together, to the left. Side. To say, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Okay. I call it crossing behind. Cross back. One more time. Start with the right, and this time the right goes back to the left. Together, the left goes back to the right. Together, back, together, back, together, back, together, back. Okay, okay. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Excellent. I mean, go back to the left. Now you need to go in front. After that, together. She go in front, I go back. Together. Back, ladies. Together in front. Together. Back. Together in front. Okay, okay. Side to side. My ladies, so we open to the left, and I need to open to the right. Open to the left. Together. Open to the right. Together to the left. Together to the right. Okay, I can see you got it. Okay, now, amigos, this hand of your lady needs to go in your shoulder. This hand of your boys needs to go on the back of your girl. My lady needs to cross the left back and open your hand. And after that, together, and we go to the other side. Together, back, together, back. Crossing behind, cross. Okay, you got it. Come on, bravo. The rest of the music gonna be for you to write the steps that you learn now. Okay, you can mix it on the way you want it. If you want to spin your lady, you can spin your lady, and after that, change the step. You finish, for example, after you finish with the first back, you can start side, side, to side, 4 times, 3, 4. After that, spin your lady. My lady, cross back. Now, dos, tres, and cuatro. Spin your lady. Coming back, my lady.